Beard Balm. This one is from Deadman's Beard Co. You can use it every single day if you would like, with zero consequences, as long as you are washing your beard. And I should probably backpedal just a little bit. Zero consequences, you can actually have benefits and proper consequences in a positive way because it is a styling agent first and foremost, but it's a healthy one. It's one that adds nourishment while it's styling your beard. And we'll get into more details, but I should introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I make content for years and years and years now all about beards. I've teamed up with Deadman's Beard Co. to help bring content for their platforms for you guys based on the questions that they get the most and or the content that they feel is the most potent to help out their customers. Today we're tackling Beard Balm. I do not use Beard Balm personally. Only when I'm testing for a new review or a new product or helping companies develop it. I did help out Deadman's really perfect this blend in here and they crushed it. The reason why I don't use it is I have a really long beard and I don't need a lot of styling help. I like my beard to move when I talk. I know you've noticed, I caught you, yeah baby. So it's just not something for me. Many of you do love it. Many long beards use it to lock it in. A lot of short beards use it to lock it in, and some people just like the feel of it, the nourishment of it. There are no rules when it comes to the frequency of Beard Balm. Theoretically, you could use it in the morning and at night, as long as you washed every single morning. I see no issues with that. But common answer, this would be like the rounded out to a buddy type answer. Dude, how many times? You can use it every day. I recommend it for the daytime. It is heavy in beeswax. It is a styling agent first. At night, I recommend beard butter. Deadman's has a great one, but again, there's no rule. If you want to do it, it's your beard, go ahead. But some people get worried about using balm every day. Do I need to take days off? Do I need to take breaks? As long as you're daily washing your beard, absolutely fine to use this every day. Now, I was getting into every other because I just did a video for Deadman's talking about their conditioner that I recommend every other day. So I'm not the guy that's like every product, every day, use it, buy it. No, not at all. But this one is totally fine. If you just want to use it on date nights, if you just want to use it for a business meeting, entirely cool as well. There's no drawbacks to using it here and there. There's no drawbacks to using it every single day. But I will really emphasize, I do recommend, highly recommend washing every day if you use wax-based products. That is something that is only going to come off with a wash. It will not rinse off. It will not have friction and comb or brush off. You do need a dedicated beard wash to get rid of that wax. Now, if you don't, it can clog your pores, slow your growth, cause beard pimples, so many negatives. But as long as you're washing, no worries at all. So I hope that helped answer you guys. Down below, comments. Do you use Beard Balm and what is the frequency? And then what add-ons do you have for people that are going to read these comments? This community is beautiful. Go give Deadman's Beard Co. a look today. Don't forget about things like their new products tab. Don't forget about things like the clearance. It's not always on there, but once in a while you'll catch a nice little flash sale. Check it out, guys. My name's Dan. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Deadman's.